If you're searching for a plant that epitomizes elegance and tropical allure, look no further than the Philodendron Melanochrysum. With its lustrous velvet leaves and striking presence, this philodendron variety is a showstopper in the world of indoor plants. Let's explore the fascinating aspects that make the Philodendron Melanochrysum a cherished gem among plant enthusiasts. The Philodendron Melanochrysum, often referred to as the black gold philodendron, derives its name from the unique coloration of its leaves. As the plant matures, the velvety green leaves take on a darker, almost black hue, adding a touch of mystery and sophistication to its aesthetic. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, the philodendron, or the black gold philodendron, thrives in the warm, humid conditions of its natural habitat. Its native regions include countries such as Brazil, Ecuador, and Colombia, where it clings to trees as an epiphyte. The black gold philodendron stands out with its large, heart-shaped leaves that exhibit a velvety texture. In its juvenile stage, the leaves boast a vibrant green color, gradually deepening to a rich shade as the plant matures. Its trailing vines and impressive leaf size contribute to its overall regal appearance. Creating a tropical haven within your home is key to fostering the optimum growth of the philodendron black gold. Provide indirect bright light and maintain a consistently warm environment. Ensure well-draining soil and allow the top layer to dry out between waterings. The plant's climbing nature makes it suitable for moss pole or hanging basket. While the black gold philodendron is typically grown as a standalone indoor beauty, it complements other tropical plants with similar light and humidity requirements. Consider pairing it with other philodendron varieties to create a lush and visually captivating indoor jungle. Beyond its ornamental value, the philodendron black gold is a favorite among collectors and interior decorators for its ability to add a touch of luxury to any space. Its trailing vines make it an ideal candidate for hanging baskets, and its resilience in indoor environments contributes to its popularity. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants.